Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right.
Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. Today's video is part 3 in the series Cleaning and Organizing and Resetting Our Homes for 2024. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dorsey and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Today we're going in the kitchen to clean and organize under the kitchen sink. And I'm sure you'd like to see what I'm up to. So if you're ready, I certainly am. Let's get started. Come with me. So here we are under the kitchen sink. And as you can see, this space is very limited. To the left, we have water softener equipment. To the right, 2 pull-out trash cans. And so the middle is the only area that we have to put the items in. So let's see how I'm able to do that. So on the counter here, I have this little, what I call a little file cabinet that I've used to put all the items in and organize them under the sink. So what I did was I folded some of the washcloths that we use, and these are things that we will use within the next week, 2 weeks, or perhaps even a month, depending on how many we use. But here we have all the washcloths nicely folded. The trash bags are in this little container. Have an all-purpose cleaner and more things that I'm going to put in the back here. So here we go. I'll put all the cleaners back here. The Ajax, of course. Barkeeper's Friend, I love this. Power wash. Then I have some of the brushes here that we use as well. So these are the items I'm going to put under the sink. So here's everything in the cabinet. I'm going to just stick this under the kitchen sink right now. So the container with all the cleaning products for the kitchen are under the sink here. And here is our equipment here for the water softener. And of course the 2 trash cans, below trash cans. So this is just a piece of art that I purchased at Goodwill to hide the water softener under the sink. Let's take a look at how it turns out with this piece of art under the sink. So this is what the area looks like right now. This is the piece of art that hides the water softener equipment. This is a container that has all the cleaning products for the kitchen. And these are the 2 pull-out trash cans. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize a space in your home. Next week will be part 4 in the series, and I can't wait to get that area clean and organized as well. I look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.